So I wanted to try something a little bit different today and show you what 13 years of vocal development can sound like. Your voice will change throughout your life for a variety of reasons, such as voice training, regular aging, illness, disability, some hormone replacement therapy, and all of that is totally normal. Whether you take action and ownership over your changing voice or not, your voice is still likely going to shift throughout your life. To demonstrate this, I want to share with you a recording I released in 2010 called Candy. Roll the clip.
Candy, I call my sugar candy, because I'm sweet on candy, and candy's sweet on me. She understands me, my understanding candy, and candy's always handy when I need sympathy.
Now let me show you what it sounds like today. Candy, I call my sugar candy, because I'm sweet on candy, and candy's sweet on me. She understands me, my understanding candy, and candy's always handy when I need sympathy. What differences did you notice between these two versions of that song? Let me know in the comments, and I hope this helps.